Lambo like a Chevy on some rich nigga shit. You can't talk to my girl, she a rich nigga bitch. Told the teacher I was gonna be on the rich nigga lit. Told you black ass nigga, $250,000 on his wrist.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making some Philly cheese stuffed egg rolls. Okay, this is a nice little quick snack for when you're hungry in the middle of the day. Now right here I am making the egg wash. You want to take about a tablespoon of water and 1 egg and crack it and just mix it and set it to the side until we're ready. Now let's get into the real tea. First of all, let's talk about this video I accidentally deleted. Y'all, so sad, so sad. Right here I am going ahead and dicing up some onions and green bell peppers. I only had about, I want to say a little under a half, so you can use how much you want. But yeah, I accidentally deleted the video, y'all. I was so sad, and you know, but whatever, it's all right. I'm gonna be making a new one soon. Now that that's out of the way, you want to take about a tablespoon of olive oil and heat it up in your pan. Now, y'all, I use the steak-ums for, you know, my meat or whatever. And, y'all, these things rip like paper. They were so annoying. But you'll see that I go and add in meat little by little because I didn't want to have it overcrowded. I want it to be an equal amount of meat and an equal amount of vegetables. Now, it's very important that while this meat is cooking, you want to go ahead and break it apart because you don't want to wait too long and try to break it apart when it's already cooked together. I let my meat cook until it's done turning pink. But while it's doing that, let's go ahead and add in our seasonings. Y'all know I use the same seasoning all the time. But all of that will be in the description box for you guys to see. Right now that we done sauteed that for a while, you want to go ahead and get you enough vegetable oil to cover them. I personally didn't do enough to cover them, but it was fine because I just flipped it. Now here you see me added in about a cup of mozzarella cheese, and this is a different mixture from before because I have some family members that don't like green pepper and onion. Okay, we're done with that. We're going to go ahead and grab that egg wash that we prepared before. We're going to lightly brush the edges of the egg roll. I used about 2 egg rolls for one. So when you put your filling in, make sure that you put it on the edge and make sure that your egg roll is laying diagonally. Put your filling in not too close to the edge, but not too far in the middle. After you're done with your filling, you want to grab about a pinch full of Parmesan cheese and just sprinkle that right on top. So now to wrap it, you're going to go ahead and grab that corner. You're going to place it to cover the filling, then grab each side. Once you grab the sides, you want to roll. When you roll, you want to tuck a little, and then you just go all the way up. Simple as that. Alright guys, so you can preheat your oil to about 350 degrees. I already did the first batch of egg rolls, so now we're going to place these bad boys in here. Now look, we're not trying to cook them, okay? The inside is already cooked. We're trying to get it that nice golden and crispy texture on the outside. So once you see that they're golden, they're done. Take them out. Now that these are done, you want to go ahead and get you some nice newspaper or a couple pieces of napkins and go ahead and lay them on top to absorb all the oil that came from the pot. Alright guys, you could serve this with some nice sweet chili sauce and it's amazing. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new here, subscribe and stay a while. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for the support. And if you haven't watched my last video, I will link that in the corner and I will have a new upload for you guys tomorrow. Thank y'all.